Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video today I'm going to show you how to add Visa gift card to your Amazon balance. So let's get into the video. So open up Amazon and log into your account. You must log into your account. So once I've logged into your account, click on your account here. So click on your account, click on it and go to your account. So once you're on your account, hit on your payments, click on it, and then when you get to your payments option here, scroll down and you'll see Amazon balance. So click on the balance, okay, and then here there'll be an option called view activity. So click on view activity, and then here you'll have an option called add a gift card, or you can add or top up your gift card. So whatever it is, just click on add, okay, and then now what you have to do is simply add the code from your Visa gift card. So whatever the code is, just use type that in and hit on apply to your account. So the card balance will be added to your Amazon account. So that's pretty much it is. Hope this video is helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.